We're going to show you how to install Affinity on your iPad. Affinity offers powerful design and photo editing tools that are perfect for creatives on the go. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Start by opening the App Store on your iPad. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the Search tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the specific Affinity app you want to install, such as Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo, or simply type Affinity. Look through the search results and select the appropriate Affinity app. Make sure it's the one developed by Serif Labs. Tap on the Get button near the name of the app. You may be prompted to authenticate the purchase or download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication. Once authenticated, the app will begin downloading. You can monitor the progress via the loading circle that appears over the app icon. Once the download is complete, the app icon will appear on your home screen. Tap the Open button. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup process within the Affinity app. This might include signing into an Affinity account or configuring your workspace. This is important, so tap Allow. You need to sign in or sign up for an Affinity account. I will connect to a previous account, but you can also create an account. If you do not wish to pay for the app, you can start a 7-day trial. Tap on Start My 7-Day Trial, and that's it. You now know how to install Affinity on your iPad. Whether you're a graphic designer or a photo editor, Affinity apps provide powerful tools to enhance your creativity. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.